Okay guys, I'm going to work the first one to get you started. Let X and Y denote the number of male and female students. So male is X, female is Y. Where X is less than Y, so that means there are less males than females. Excuse me. If possible, determine which of the expressions in each pair is larger. Interpret each of the expressions in terms of populations. Well, if X is male and Y is females, then if you interpret that in terms of population, that would be the population of males and females, because you're adding both of them together. Okay. 2Y, if you were to interpret it, that is twice the number of females. On campus or at that university. So that's how you can interpret those. Then it says, if possible, determine which of the expressions in each pair is larger. Well, let's think about it. If there are less males than females, okay, then twice the amount of females is always going to be larger than males plus one of the female populations. And if you can't wrap your mind around that reasoning, well then apply numbers. Let's say, for easy math purposes, all we know for sure is that X males has to be less than Y females. Well, let's just say there's 10 males and 20 females. Well, you could plug in to this, X plus Y. 10 plus 20 is 30. Then we plug in 20 for Y, because that's what we said for females. 2 times 20 is 40. So twice as many females is always going to be larger than males added to females just one time. Okay, that's how you'll use reasoning on the other two. Do your best. Let me know if you need me. And I'm going to switch pages and work one for the next assignment. Okay, for each pair of expressions below, without substituting in specific values, determine which of the expressions in the given pairs is larger. Explain your reasoning. Okay. The first one is 5 minus t squared, and the other expression is 3 minus t squared. Well, they both have t squared in it. The difference is, on the first one, t squared is being added to 5. So let's just say that's $5. You've got $5 and you're adding t squared to it. Okay, now let's look at the second expression, 3 minus t squared. Well, let's say you have $3. You're subtracting that same t squared from $3. Well, obviously, the larger would be this one, the 5 plus t squared. Because again, if you have $5 and you're adding to it, it's going to be more than $5. And if you have $3 and you're subtracting from it, it's going to be less than 3. So the first expression will always be larger. And that is the reasoning you could use. And you could just write it. Adding t squared to 5 will be larger than 5. Okay, and then subtracting t squared from 3 will be smaller than 3. Something as simple as that could be the reasoning that you give me. Don't overthink it, just put it in your own words, and let me know if you need me.